Every great company has a starting point, and in August of 1994, Jeff Bezos posted his very first job description for Amazon.com. If you're not familiar with what Amazon.com is, it is a huge e-commerce technology disruptor powerhouse, is one of the largest companies in the world. Let's take a look at the very beginnings of what it looked like. Well-capitalized startup seeks extremely talented C, C++, Unix developers to help pioneer commerce on the internet. You must have experience designing and building large and complex, yet maintainable systems. And you should be able to do so in about 1/3 the time that most competent people think possible. You should have a BS, MS, or PhD in computer science or the equivalent. Top-notch communication skills are essential. Familiarity with web servers and HTML would be helpful, but is not necessary. Expect talented, motivated, intense, and interesting coworkers. Must be willing to relocate to the Seattle area. We will help cover moving costs. Your compensation will include meaningful equity ownership. Send resume and cover letter to Jeff Bezos. Isn't that just amazing? If you think about it, in 1994, Jeff Bezos he left a career in Wall Street and started Amazon.com. Over the course of several decades, because he hired the right people, Amazon.com has gone to change the world in ways that we couldn't even imagine back in 1994. Now, as we know, building and growing companies takes a long time. In this job description, and this stories reminds me a little bit about Linux Academy, the company that I founded and became CEO of in March of 2012. Now, we are always looking for extremely talented and passionate people that are on a mission towards helping others through building innovative-based technology to help people learn cloud and technology skills quickly, whether it's developing on a lab platform or developing on our innovative LMS. Now, if this type of excitement, hard work, and innovative and passionate environment that is geared towards helping our students excites you, then I would encourage you to apply at linuxacademy.com/careers. And we're always looking for highly talented Ruby, Node.js, and Angular developers, as well as our training architect team, where we hire full-time staff to teach and build hands-on labs. It's really great. You get to play at the environments, but you get to build the hands-on labs and teach these amazing technologies like Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, Linux, containers, Kubernetes, so on and so forth. So if this excites you and you want to work with extremely passionate and talented people who are very open and direct, this place is for you, and I encourage you to check it out.